If you are a student using Notion for notes, project or productivity, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Notion Pro 100% free for a student using the official method. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had already logged in my GitHub Student Developer Pack account. So simply log in your GitHub account, then visit education.github.com/pack. Click on this Get Direct Access to the Notion website. Simply log in or sign up now. If you had not yet watched my previous video how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack for free, here you can see I had already created a video and how to get GitHub Copilot for free. I will give both videos link in this video description also. So we need to paste here our email address. Click on continue. Let's verify our email address. Here you can see we got a verification code from Notion. Click on this continue. Get Notion for free with GitHub Student Developer Pack. Scroll down. Please select your workplace you had like to redeem to offer. So we need to first create one workspace for GitHub for apply GitHub Student Developer Pack. Let's go to notion.com. Simply type your name, so this is my workspace. Let's refresh this page. Here you can see I had selected my workspace. Now click on this Get Verified with GitHub. Then click on this Authorized Notion for a Student. Here you can see a notification. Your workspace has been upgraded to the Educational Plus plan. Go back. And here you can see we had upgraded. Here you can see Educational Plus plan 1 member. So by this way you will get Notion educational plan for free, and for premium private content that is not on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly. So join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. And I'll suggest you to please watch first 2 videos, how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack and how to claim GitHub Copilot. If you don't have a GitHub Student Developer Pack, you can buy from here also. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.